Kung gusto nyo maging trilyonaryo, then your business has to be stable. Tama po ba? Sino ba rito yung gusto magnegosyo, yung may pera ka ngayon, bukas wala? The reason people, many employees, they don't want to resign or quit on their jobs because they're afraid it's not as stable. Business is not stable. Well, that is if you build a business that is not stable. That's the thing. Okay? So come from making money. The thing with money is sensitive matter. Ano pong sensitive? I don't know with you guys, pero po kami nung lumaki, hindi naman pinag-uusapan ng pera sa mesa. Kayo po ba ganon? Budgeting, pinag-uusapan nyo ba yun ng mga magulang nyo? Kami po hindi. And many people, they are sensitive pagdating sa pera. Ano yung mga naririnig natin normally pagdating sa pera? Ano yung mga naririnig natin? Mostly negative eh. Right? If you make more, alam mo yung pagka-sobra, lahat ng sobra, masama. Sapat-sapat nang okay na yun, John. Okay na yun nakakakain tayo ng 3 beses sa isang araw. Problema, pag nagkaroon ng emergency, yan. There you go. So, we always see having more money as the negativity. The thing is this, guys, ang hirap po kumita, mahihirapan po kayong kumita ng malaki kung ang nakikita niyong pagkita ng malaki ay masama. That's it. Period. I have one student in here. Ano ako, nandito siya. Sabi niya, ano ba magiging problema pagka nagkapera ka? Sabi niya, Sir John, pag yumaman kasi ako, yung buhay ng family ko nasa panganib na. Agad-agad? Totoo to, guys. This is like real conversation, real people. Sabi ko, mayaman ka? Opo. Feeling mo, family mo, nasa panganib kasi mayaman ka? Opo. Mag-hire ka ng 10 bodyguard hanggang pag CR mo may kasama kang bodyguard. It's hard. It's hard if there's always in your head, gonna sell na pag yumaman ka, magbabago ka. Uy, hindi ka na ma-reach. Uy, nagbago ka na ha. Pag nakita kayo ng classmate mo nung high school, uy, nagbago ka na. Abay, over naman. By 25 years ago pa tayo magkakaklase, hindi ka nagbago mula high school. Hindi ka nag-mature mula high school. Kinakailangan talaga magbago ka for the better. So again, ask yourself, because magkakaiba po tayo eh. These are some of the things that I learned along the way. Because remember, hindi po kami mayaman. You know, both my parents there are here. Mami, Daddy, tawiyo kayo para makita kayo. Yan. So my parents, right? So they didn't even reach college. Just like high school. My mom, she barely finished high school, sabi niya. Kaya niya mag-aral. So it is, money is something that's tricky, but at the same time, once you remove all your association, particularly the negative association, things will be so much easier. Wala ka ng guilty feeling.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.